Arnott is pleased to offer air suspension repair and replacement options for Volvo SPA platform models equipped with optional electronically controlled air suspension, including the 2016 to 2019 XC90, 2018 to 2019 XC60, and 2017 to 2019 V90 Cross Country, excluding hybrid models. Most air suspension problems are due to a leaking air spring. Arnott offers high-quality replacement air springs that are built with name-brand air bladders and are not only engineered to last longer, but are often easier to install. In this video, we show how to install the Arnott engineered and assembled rear air spring A-3307. Air spring removal. Step 1. Prepping for removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Carefully remove the applicable rear wheel. Removal Step 2. Air spring removal. Disconnect the air line using a wrench. Remove the air line fitting and discard. Remove the plastic pin situated between the spring's mounting clips. Pinch the mounting clips together and compress the spring to remove it from the vehicle. Removal complete. Air spring installation. Step 1. Installing the new spring. Pull out the shipping pin from the new Arnott air spring. Install the new Arnott air spring into the vehicle. Align clips and air fitting with existing holes. Ensure spring is seated securely on the bottom. Reinsert the plastic pin between the spring's top mount clips. Install the air line by pushing the line into the fitting until it is firmly seated. Installation Step 2. Finishing the installation and testing. Reinstall the wheel. Initially lower the vehicle slowly, just until the wheels touch the ground. Ensure the air spring is properly seated. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the vehicle's electronics. It is strongly recommended that after this install, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety. Installation complete.